Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano ating makikita. Yun ang ating babasahin for you, syempre, okay? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng lumapit. And yes, again, don't forget yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Yeah. Huwag niyong kalimutang bisitahin, i-follow, yes. Nasa description box below. Pahanap na lang po. Opo, so, yeah, kita-kita tayo doon. And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items, yan, okay. Yung ating mga evil eye protection, ring, okay, ring, dalawang sample ng ating bracelet, isang garterized, isang adjustable. Yung garterized ay yung ating garterized and itong ating adjustable is parehong unisex. Okay, available po ito in red strings. Okay, so yeah, yung atin namang evil eye necklace, so ganyan siya sa malapitan. O, diba? O, diba? Flex natin. Wala kasing ilaw. O, diba? So, yes. O, yan. Okay. O, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Yung kanyang chain is merong, ang tawag dyan? Extender. Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay. And syempre, yung ating love bracelet. Okay, so, para sa mga connections, opo, sa mga connections, ha, ganyan siya. This is 7 inches long. Yan. Okay, meron siyang mga stones para may provide yung mga kailangan dyan sa inyong mga situation, connection, whatsoever shan. Okay, and syempre, plus lang itong mga batong yan. Okay, plus lang yan sa ating mga gagawin. Okay. So, this is 7 inches long. Hindi po siya garterized, hindi po siya adjustable. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter. Yan, yung ating bida. Si granter necklace. Okay? So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and unisex. Okay? Yung ating granter necklace is nagpo-provide or nagbibigay, nag-grant ng mga minamanifest ninyo. And syempre, again, hindi lahat ng minamanifest is what? Ready. So, kung hindi pa ready, yung inyong minamanifest, magbibigay ng surprises pa. Okay? Magbibigay ng surprises itong si granter. So, don't you worry. So, yung atin namang cord cutting is pag-aalis, pagkakat ko ng mga energies na parang nakakapit pa rin sa inyo. Okay? Lalo na, madalas dito is yung mga ex, yung ayaw nyo na, yan, tas parang lagi pang nandyan, nakakagulo na lang, parang ganyan. Ayun yung ating ikakat. Okay? So, there you go. Oo. Let's start the reading. Again po, kung may mga tanong, message na lang po, ha? Okay. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Anong mensahe ang kailangan malaman ng mga Gemini, mga air signs? Ano ito? The Four of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Meron ditong mga kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. Opo, bago nyo alisan, bago kayo gumawa ng drama, kailangan nyo muna pag-isipan mabuti to. Kung ano man yan. The Three of Swords, I think this is talking about a connection or a relationship na parang, okay, I want to end this. Parang ganyan. Pero, I don't know, meron kasi dito ako nakikita na, may pwede pang mangyari, like possibility na maging okay pa yung connection. Okay? Wag po tayo muna dito sa, i-break ko to or aalisan ko to kasi meron na akong iba. Or meron na akong nakikitang pamalit. Enough with that. Okay? Tsaka na muna yun. Tingnan nyo muna, ha? That's specific. See the world. Baka mamaya, sabihin nyo, naku, dapat pala, ginawa ko lang yung sinabi ni Madam. Okay? So, what else? The Nine of Cups, that's healing. The Knight of Pentacles. Medyo mabagal, no? Yung iba ninyong minamanifest. You have to drop something. Yeah, the weight. Oo, and the blockages. Yan ang mga kailangan yung i-drop. Which is, kanya-kanya kayo dun. Hindi ko alam kung anong inyo. Yung mga blockages na ginagawa nyo sa sarili nyo, yun ang mga kailangan nyo alisin. Bumabagal, oh. Yung mga minamanifest nyo, yung mga pinagdarasal ninyo, mga ginugusto ninyo, ang bagal ng dating. Yes. The Queen of Wands in the first. Some of you don't trust the process, of manifesting the right way, maybe. Okay. What else? Somebody's into you. Ooh, money. 10 of Pentacles. What's with that? 10 of Pentacles. You do have the Ace of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. That's money. The Queen of Swords. Legal. Coming from a legal kung ano man itong pera. Some of you, this is a new contract. New employer maybe. Somebody's celebrating somebody's success maybe. I'm seeing here, ano yan, yung signature. What's with this? There's this good news coming in about somebody's pregnancy. May pregnancy ako nakikita rito. A new addition sa family member. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody's pregnancy. Ang nakuha ko lang dito is unplanned. Yes. Meron ditong parang umaalis kasi ayaw na masaktan, ayaw na mahirapan, ayaw na mapagod. I don't know why, I don't know who. Air, Leo, Cancerian, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Some of you have to move on. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita. Ang bagal ng pera, pero may malaki akong perang nakikita rito. Yes, may malaki akong perang nakikita rito na parating. So next, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong mensahe para sa'yo? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Page of Pentacles in reversed. The Tower. Procrastination. Mga fire signs. Procrastinations. Yeah, the Six of Swords. I don't know kung ito ay delays or cycle, routine. Yeah, the Four of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. Some of you, there's this, sabihin nating potential stability na pwedeng mangyari, pero you're stuck pagdating sa isang cycle. So, paano to? Kapag ganito, kailangan may changes. If you're in a routine, then there's no changes. Yeah. See, the Chariot, you have to move, like, you have to choose. Kung makikita nyo to, Chariot to, pero it's like a Two of Wands. No? On a crossroads. It's like on a crossroads. What should I do? Parang ganyan. What should I take? Left, right. Parang mga ganon. So, you have to make an action. Okay? So, kung ano man, yung parang nadidelay na sa buhay mo. Kailangan na ng pag-usad dyan. Pagbabago, sagot, whatsoever. The Hanged Man in reverse, releasing. Two of Cups. Meron ditong parang sobrang comfortable na pagdating sa isang connection. Or maybe, naging comfortable na sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody, sabihin natin parang nagiging open na. Andun na yung play. Andun na yung something like sexual. Something like that. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. I don't know if this is healthy or what. Kasi ang nakuha ko dito, this is like an energy of parang simula pa lang. No? Pero yung sabihin nating boundaries is parang nawawala na. Yeah, see the Page of Wands. Expect mo na pwedeng masaktan ka if ever. Kasi masyado ka na talagang nagtitiwala dito. Comfortable ka na, something like that. Yeah, strength. Kailangan mong ibalik yung guard mo if ever. If you're in a connection, like new connection, you don't have to na ibaba yung guard mo agad-agad. Okay? If this is like playtime, then makipag-play ka. Pero expect mo na pwedeng masaktan ka in the end. Yes. The Fool in reversed. Eight of Wands. A new job offer. Yun ang unang-una ko narinig. I don't know why. There's this new opportunity about travel. Some of you, this is like, once lang may bibigay sa'yo and then kapag nireject mo, wala na. Okay? Pag nireject mo, wala na. May chance na pwedeng makakatulong to, makapag-provide something, lalo na sa finances, financial mo, income mo. I don't know kung ano yan. There's this offer na pwedeng pag-isipan muna bago i-reject. Grab it. Okay? Yun nga lang, iba sa inyo, may chance na ito is paglayo. Alis. Maybe distance. Nandyan yung distansya sa family mo, may kaakibat na syempre, kalungkutan, no? Pero, yeah. If you're practical lang din naman, then grab it. Pero kung hindi, you're like weak, no? Emotionally, then this is not for you. Yeah. So, there. Okay. So, what else? So, for water sign naman. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. It's for you. Water signs. The Knight of Wands. The Nine of Pentacles. So, there's this somebody. Are you into somebody? Are you into someone? I'm seeing here a lot of physical attraction. Yeah, the Lovers. Are you in a connection? They really like you a lot. physically attracted. A Gemini, fire, earth. Nandun yung energy about sex. Yeah. Okay. You like each other though. You really like each other. Pwedeng may magle-level up na connection dito. Iba dito pwedeng single mothers or single father. Yeah. Pwedeng magkakagusto ka sa isang single mother or isang single father. Well experienced. Parang ganon. Oo. So, yeah. What else? Iba yung naririnig ko. Oh my gosh. So, what else? Yeah, the Ace of Wands universe is sex. What's this? Oh my, strength. Somebody is really, really like sexually into you. Oh my. They're playing themselves. Yeah, while thinking of you. Fantasizing you. Could be a Cancerian, a Leo. Anong meron dito? Somebody is holding back na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. Yeah, the King of Swords. Holding back their intentions, maybe. They're like silent, detached, cold. But yeah, they're waiting. Could be an Aquarius. Somebody's making plans. So, kung paano makakabalik, maybe. What else for you, water signs? There's this energy about pending pagdating sa travel. Iba sa inyo yung meron ditong flight. I'm seeing here a delay. A resched. Maybe. The Nine of Cups in reversed. The Tower. Unexpected. What's this? What's with the Tower? The Five of Swords. Somebody is totally parang talagang na-fall na. Okay, but yeah, they're not ready. They're not ready. Somebody is... May naririnig ako brain fog. I don't know. Magulo yung utak. Conflicted. Somebody is in need. They need you. A Scorpio. Maybe you're needing somebody. Parang can't live without this person. Parang ganyan. Yeah. A lot of drama. They're thinking of you maybe, or maybe you're thinking of them. You're still attached to this person. Still. Hindi ka pa rin totally nakaka-move on from them, maybe. Yeah, the Three of Wands in reversed. Feeling hopeless. Pero still waiting. This is so stressful. This is so tiring. Okay, kung ikaw yon na parang totally naghihintay ka pa rin, kailangan mong umusad, syempre. So, next. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you? Earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below. Yes, hanapin nyo lang po dyan. Okay. So, what's for our Earth signs? The Queen of Cups. You're in love. Are you in love? Or maybe somebody is in love with you. The Five of Cups. Yeah. Somebody is in love. Some of you, this is like an energy of moving on. self-love, self-care. What's with that? Seven of Wands, universe. You're maybe allowing yourself, no, na mahalin. Parang ganyan. No blockages at all. Yeah. Some of you, may mga sabihin nating nagkakagusto. Okay, na-attract sila, if ever. You're like, parang removing all the blockages. Parang ganyan if you're having self-love, self-care. Yeah. Okay? The Three of Swords, universe. Yeah. Energy of healing. What's with that? Ooh. Are you open to this? Are you open? Are you ready? Yung mga healed dyan. Oo, yung mga nag-heal. Yeah, you're allowing yourself na mahalin ka. Yes. Okay, the Two of Cups. You're allowing yourself more. Yeah, the Ten of Swords, universe. This is good. Healing energies ang inaatupag ng mga earth signs or ang kailangang atupagin. Okay, what else? Ano pa daw ang dapat marinig, ang kailangang marinig ng mga earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Four of Wands. Stability in general. Long-term connections, long-term stability, potential, no? Stability. Four of Wands, this is success, victory. Ace of Cups in reversed. What? The Page of Cups, the King of Cups. Some of you, kung ikaw itong nagre-reject sa isang love offer, then you are what? What? Ano po yan, madam? Nire-reject nyo yung magandang energy na paparating or sabihin nating dumadating sa inyo. Yeah. The Five of Pentacles. Ganun talaga eh. Yung mga umaayaw. Opo, yung mga umaayaw. Yun pa talaga yung binibigyan. Hindi kasi nagiging needy. Ano tong Ace of Cups na naka-reversed? The Empress in reversed. The Ace of Swords. Are you ready? Kasi may mga gustong kumonek talaga. Some of you, I'm hearing this about single parent. May single parent dito, single mother or father, parang ganyan. So the Ace of Cups is here in reverse. Ayoko na, stability na lang muna ako. Yeah, okay naman yun. Yeah, if you will focus, no, sa yung stability, progress, mga ganyan, yung work, career, studies, if ever. Okay? Ayaw pang ma-in-love nung iba dito. Unahin ko muna stability ko. Parang ganyan. Pero hindi eh. Kahit sabihin mo yon, ibibigay pa rin sa'yo. Yes. Some of you, ito be careful yung mga pregnant dyan, lalo na nasa first or second trimester, mga ganyan. I'm seeing here blood. I'm seeing here miscarriage. Hanggat maaari, magpahinga. Okay? Magpahinga. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Pahinga. If you're working, kung meron kang ang tawag dyan, stable job, kung kaya mo mag-leave ka. I-leave mo na. Huwag ka namang hinayang. Okay? So there, that's it. So yun ang aking reading po, no, for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!